Hey everyone, my name is Misbah Yusuf and I'm a nutrition expert at Veera Health. I'm here to discuss why it could get so difficult to lose weight with PCOS. No matter how many times you try out all of the popular diets like gluten-free, dairy-free, low-carb diets and do workouts on top of that, but your weight still doesn't seem to budge. Relatable? Let's find out why. Well, this is simply because normal regular weight loss diet plans do not work well with PCOS. Because PCOS is a very complex condition in which your body is facing extreme hormonal imbalances, because of which your body itself starts to resist weight loss, and the most contributing factor to this is insulin resistance. Now, in order to understand what exactly is insulin resistance, it's better that we first understand what insulin does in your body. Now, when you eat food, your body breaks it down into glucose or sugars in more basic language. Now, this sugars is actually the literal source of fuel for your body. And in order to utilize this fuel for energy purposes, it is important that the sugar goes from your bloodstream and reaches to your cells. Now, insulin acts as a bridge between your blood to your cells, making sure that the sugars easily reach the cells. But what exactly goes wrong with insulin in PCOS? Now, due to conditions like increased weight, irregular sleeping patterns, unhealthy eating habits, and a sedentary lifestyle, your cells slowly fail to recognize this insulin and are thus unable to take up any of these sugars from your blood. Now, these sugars, having no other place to go, happily sit in your bloodstream and increase your blood sugar levels. Now, the food that you eat has not reached your cells, so that's why you do end up feeling lethargic, low on energy levels, and dull throughout the day. Now, this is one of the major reasons why you crave sugary foods and feel hungry even after having a meal. Now, what can you do to change this? Well, it's very important to first understand and accept that PCOS is a lifestyle disorder, and it is imperative to make regular lifestyle modifications. You have to observe diet control, you have to control your sleeping patterns, regularize them, you have to start working out so that you can see a lot of improvement throughout your PCOS journey. Also, weight loss is another very important factor when it comes to PCOS. Just by reducing 10% of your weight, you can see great results in regulating your cycles and also reduce the risk of getting diabetes in the future. Also, for patients with lean PCOS, wherein you don't have an increased weight, de-stressing and exercising can give you great results with reducing your insulin resistance levels. Yes, lifestyle changes are very difficult to make than they seem. And there's a lot of information available on the internet, like you can go gluten-free, you can go dairy-free, start cutting down carbs from your diet. But honestly, these are not sustainable in the long run, and in fact, cutting down an entire food group from your diet will only lead to increase in your cravings. It's important to understand what suits you best and can easily become a part of your lifestyle. If you would like to explore PCOS diets that are made for you and not around you, do visit our website www.veerahealth.com and book a free PCOS appointment with our experts. We'll meet next time with another interesting topic on PCOS nutrition. Till then, eat healthy and stay safe.